Good afternoon, miss. Today's presentation features objectives for testing purposes. The subtopic educational objectives. Our group 4 members comprises of 6 people, namely Netrowid Walker, Suvarna Shanut Ram, Indira Prasad, Amisha Leah Budu, Sophia Byron, and Kamini Shivnani. In writing objectives for testing purposes, in educational assessment, well-defined objectives are crucial for designing effective tests and assessments. These objectives guide the creation of test items and ensure alignment with desired learning outcomes. Educational objectives serve as a foundation for assessment. They articulate what students are expected to learn and achieve. Educators must carefully craft objectives when creating test items to ensure that assessments accurately measure students' knowledge, skills, and understanding. In this presentation, we will delve into the process of writing objectives for testing purposes. We will explore the different types of objectives and their impact on test design. Additionally, we will provide examples to illustrate how into specific test items. And this is a breakdown of who will be doing what part.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Amisha Budu, and I will be looking at knowledge. Knowledge objectives refers to the understanding, awareness, and familiarity acquired through learning, experience, or information. It encompasses facts, skills, concepts, and the ability to apply information in a meaningful way. Here we have the diagnostic question. The topic is germination. There is the objective. The question is, what is germination? And the answer is the process by which a seed starts to grow into a new plant. Then we have the multiple choice question. The topic is germination. The objective is there as well. And the question is, which of the following is not necessary for the germination of seeds? The answer is B. Then we have true and false question. The topic is the plant. We have the objective after. And the question is, the right amount of water make a plant wilt and die? The answer will be false. We have the essay question. The topic is germination. We have the objective, and the question is, using the diagram below, pupils will identify the stages of seed germination. And lastly, the matching question. The topic is the plant. We have the objective as well. The question is, match the parts of the plant in the right column to their functions in the left column. Write the correct letter next to the part of the plant chosen. Then we have the answer is leaves, so green pigment in plants, roots, parts of a plant that absorb water and nutrients, and chlorophyll, the food-making part of the plant.
Good evening, class. I'm Ashana Outram, and I will be covering application. Application-based objectives are those that test students' ability to apply lessons learned into real-life situations. Diagnostic question. Which of the following are sources of water that are common to Guyanese? And there are 4 options here. True and false question. As a teenager, it is not necessary to use soap when bathing. True or false? Essay type question. Observe the image of a sewing machine below. Name 3 of its parts and state the functions of each. As you can see here, we have a table where one column has region and the other column has indigenous material. My
name is Sophia Byron, and I'm looking at analysis-based objectives. Analysis-based objective is the extent to which the students interpret the content or meet the objective of the lesson. Diagnostic questions. State the name of the given kitchen equipment and place them in their correct category. Multiple choice question. All of the following are self-punishing except true and false question. Which of the flank cut of beef? Essay type question. Explain in your own words the difference between boiling and baking. Multi-type question. Carefully analyze each picture and match it to the correct family type by right age.
Good morning, Miss. I am Kamini Subnoin Lau. I'll be looking at the synthesis-based objectives. Synthesis-based objectives are educational goals that focus on the integration and combination of different elements, concepts, or skills to create something or to demonstrate a deep understanding of a topic. These objectives move beyond the mere recall of information or simple application of learned skills and instead require students to engage in higher order thinking. Diagnostic question. Example, demonstrate the threading process of a sewing machine, ensuring clarity and precision in each step. Multiple choice question. Sewing equipment can be placed into the categories. The options are there. Students can select. Question. Susan is doing her laundry. The first step is sorting the clothes. Again, the options are in the bracket. Students will need to select. Question. After watching a video, students will describe each step of the laundering process. We have the matching type question. And that question is, match the uses of each laundry equipment by showing what each equipment in column B is used for in column A. Good morning.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ms. Basad. And I'll be taking evaluation-based objectives. Evaluation-based objectives are a specific and measurable statement outlining intended outcomes for evaluating students' learning. They focus on assessing students' performance, understanding, or proficiency in a specific subject or skill. They are characterized by specific and measurable details of what students are expected to achieve and how their achievement will be assessed. These objectives emphasize the assessment process and desired outcome aligning with assessment methods and other learning goals. Some examples of evaluation-based assessment questions are diagnostic question. What are 6 main food groups according to dietary guidelines? Questions. Which food group primarily produce essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, or fiber? True or false? Dairy products are the only source of calcium in our diet. Questions. Describe the importance of including a variety of food groups in daily meals. Provide examples of meals that incorporate food from different food groups and explain their nutritional benefits. Matching questions. Match each food item with its corresponding. Thank you.
To conclude this presentation, writing objectives for testing purposes. In summary, well-crafted objectives are essential for effective educational assessments. When designing tests, educators should consider the following points. First and foremost, they should be clear and specific. What does this mean? Educators Objectives must be understandable and aligned with desired learning outcomes. This can lead to poorly designed assessments. Point number 2, Bloom's taxonomy. Consider the cognitive levels outlined in Bloom's taxonomy, such as knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. Objectives should reflect the intended level of students' understanding. The third point, behavioral verbs. Educators should use action verbs such as analyze, compare, evaluate. To name a few, to describe the expected student behavior. These verbs guide the creation of test items. Last but not least, alignment. Educators should ensure that objectives align with the curriculum, instruction materials, and classroom activity. Assessment should accurately measure what students have learned. Here ends our presentation. Thank you.